In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get HAKARI emote in 4-second Roblox this year. Unlocking the HAKARI emote in 4-second on Roblox isn't as obvious as the standard emotes. It's tied to the VIP Game Pass. Players noticed it doesn't actually appear in the normal shop, and Voices on Reddit also has confirmed this, with also me confirming. And you can see one user said that on the VIP Game Pass, and another added it's exclusive to VIP holders. In short, it's not something you can earn through in-game currency or even events. To get it, you need to purchase the VIP Game Pass, which typically costs around 800 Robux, this one. So once you have bought and activated the Game Pass, the Hakari emote becomes available in your emote wheel alongside the rest. It doesn't appear under shop emotes, nor is it accessible in private or mobile only modes unless you have that VIP pass. So here's the real deal. If you are aiming to wave with Hakari features, whether it's the animation or sound, you'll need to grab that VIP pass. Once it's in your inventory, the emote will be ready to equip and use in lobbies, games, and private servers. You are basically paying once to open a new emote slot, no grinding required. If you have already purchased the VIP Game Pass, make sure you fully restart the game before checking the emote wheel. Sometimes Roblox servers take a moment to register new purchases, so restarting helps ensure the emote appears properly in your emote menu. Once it's visible, you can equip it by holding G or your emote key and selecting the Hakari dance, and you should be done successfully. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.